Today we are starting with the poem, a concrete example, and directly we are coming to the text. You can see the image here. It is going to tell you more about this poem. Whatever we are going to read, it is being depicted here. Now starting with the first line. My next door neighbor, Mrs. Jones. Who is the next door neighbor? That is Mrs. Jones. She has a she has got a garden full of stones. Means she was having a garden and it is full of stones. You can see the image here. A crazy path. There is a path that is quite crazy because the narrator, the poet, could not be able to understand what kind of garden she had. A lily pond and a rockery and just beyond. Rockery means full of rocks. The garden is actually full of rocks. Few plants were there and she loved that garden. A sundial with a large device. There is a sundial, you can see here in the image also. There is a sundial, you can see. It is here. This is sundial. Okay. Now, it was a sundial that was also there in the garden, and she was thinking it is quite nice, which Mrs. Jones thinks rather nice, which refers to the sundial here. Okay, it is sundial that she thinks that very nice it is in the garden. My next door neighbor, Mrs. Jones, again this line is repeated, and whenever we are repeating same words or same lines again and again in the poem, it is called refrain. That is the poetic device. Okay, continuing further, my next door neighbor, Mrs. Jones, puts little plants between the stones. She was keeping the small plants between the rocks, you can see here. They are so delicate and small. The small plants are so much delicate and small, and they don't mean anything at all. As per the poet, those small plants doesn't mean so much, and that's why he was thinking that there is no purpose of having those so many small plants in the garden. I can't think how she gets them in, and he was thinking that how she actually grown them there, unless she plants them with the pin. The poet is thinking that there was not so much space between the rocks, and it needed a pin to plant those small plants to be put there between the rocks. My next door neighbor, Mrs. Jones, I told you when the same lines are repeated, it is called refrain here. Now, once asked me round to see her stones. Okay, once the poet went to the garden of Mrs. Jones, and she was showing him the stones. We stood and talked about a flower for quite a quarter of an hour. For quarter of an hour, they just talked about a flower, and finally, I would like to know from her that where was that flower. And when I asked this question, where is that lovely thing, when the poet asked this thing, she said you are standing on it. And that was a, you can say, a hilarious thing here, that the flower they were talking about, it was right under the feet of the poet. So Reginald Arkell is the poet of this poem, and we understood completely one poetic device we have discussed here, that is refrain. The remaining part and the question answers we will discuss further. Thank you.